Hello friends, I am Dr. Himanshu Sekhar. Today we will study about liposuction. So what is liposuction? Liposuction is surgical aspiration of fat which helps in achieving desirable shape and contour by removal of unwanted pockets of fat from subcutaneous tissue. So what are its applications? We all know that the most commonly it is done for cosmesis. The other applications are, first is cellulite, which is abnormal fat globules under skin. Another one is lymphedema. Lymphedema is abnormal swelling which is because of lymphatic disruption in presence of normal capillary function. Third is lipoma. We all know that lipoma is a localized collection of fat which is mostly encapsulated and it's in subcutaneous tissue, freely mobile. Fourth one is hyperhidrosis. So what is the relevant anatomy for liposuction? So these are the layers of skin. This is normal skin and this is subcutaneous tissue which is having the fatty content. This is divided in three parts: superficial, intermediate and deep. So what is the significance of this? When this intermediate and deep layer, when these are removed, this causes uniform reduction in shape, and this superficial layer is cosmetically important. So this is the significance of this anatomy. And what are the zone of adherence? So zone of adherence are the areas where there is high density attachment of underlying deep fascia. So this gives the normal contour. There is a thing called wetting solution. So this is a solution which is required for liposuction surgery. First is this dry type, in which there is no infiltration done by this solution. Wet type, when there is 200 to 300 ml per area infiltration. Then next is super wet, in which 1 ml infiltrate is required for 1 ml aspirate. So if you are removing 50 grams of fat, then you have to infuse 50 ml of this wetting solution. And last one is tumescent, in which the solution is infiltrated so much that it causes a skin turgor. So very much wetting solution is used in this technique. So what are the examples? There are many types of wetting solution. Each university and settings, they use their own. The most commonly, and for one example, is Clean's formula. The components which are normally used everywhere are normal saline and anesthetic, that is lidocaine or xylocaine with epinephrine solution and sodium bicarbonate. So what are the techniques of liposuction? First is suction assisted liposuction. This is a manual technique. In this there is one cannula which is shown here. This is cannula which is manually pulled and pushed by surgeon, which causes breakdown of fat. Then this is suction. So what are the complications or side effect? Because this is a manual work, so more trauma and trauma related complications or side effect like post-operative pain, skin necrosis, etc. The next one is power assisted liposuction. The mechanism is same, only this thing is power operated. Here also there is cannula and suction is also at the proximal end of this machine, but this is fast because this is not manual and it causes less trauma. This third one is ultrasound assisted liposuction, in which this is the USG probe which is giving energy to break down fat and emulsify it. Emulsified fat is suctioned via this cannula. So there is also thermal heat generation. The benefit of this thing is that it causes skin retraction, which is beneficial because the subcutaneous skin loss, subcutaneous fat loss, that area is retracted. Next one is Vaser. Here pulsed delivery of USG energy. So the energy is given in pulsed nature. There is a small incision and good contouring. The last technique is laser assisted liposuction, in which small incision is used. The energy generation is via laser. This laser disrupts the fat membrane, then becomes embolized, and these embolies are suctioned. In this also heat is generated, which gives skin retraction. So what are the complications? complications can be divided into early or immediate post-op complication and late. So the early complications are fluid overload, pulmonary edema, which is the consequence of fluid overload, and venous thromboembolism. What are the late complications? Late complications are ecchymosis, which is spots, bloody spots over skin, and hyperesthesia and hyperpigmentation. So hyperpigmentation remains there, but hyperesthesia, it normally resolves within 10 weeks. This is the last slide. What are the recent advances? So recent advances, there is a term called high definition body sculpturing, which is done. This is just like an artwork in which the body shape is changed. What is the safe technique? So there are three components of safe technique of this liposuction. First is the separation. Separation is done after infiltration of the solution. Then fat is broken down and emulsified, and then suctions. This is the normal. The significance of this, that these steps will come after the previous step. So when you are separating the fat lobules, that time you will not aspirate it, and after aspiration comes fat emulsification. This is all about liposuction. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. And if you want me to make more of these type of videos, then let me know in the comment section. Signing off. Thank you.